Looking for news articles? You can search NewsBank to access over 10,000 news sources from around the globe, including press offices in Africa, Europe, and Asia. NewsBank is also where you can find local news and includes over 100 Washington state newspapers and coverage of the Seattle Times from 1985 to present. Get started in NewsBank by searching for a topic, name, or event in the search box, or by browsing the suggested topics below. You can also use the quick links to connect to hot topics and current events, or use these links to search by a particular location or collection. For example, clicking on a suggested topic opens a list of subtopics to choose from. Selecting one of these subtopic links will take you to news articles about that topic starting from the most current. You can even use these topic lists to help you brainstorm ideas for narrowing down your research topic. Let's try a search. For example, let's say that you are studying issues related to climate change and you want to learn more about droughts in California. You can type "droughts in California" in the search box and hit search to see results. Browsing the results shows articles from a variety of types of news sources, including newspapers, newswires, blogs, college and university newspapers, and more. A person studying this topic could look through the results for clues about how droughts have impacted California, what the state is doing in response to the droughts, and/or find information about past droughts in the state for comparison, and more. You can sort and filter your results by using the options on the left-hand side of the page. For example, you may select a specific date range, narrow your results by source type or source location, etc. You can also control your search further by using the advanced search options. Here you can add more terms to your search, specify date ranges, and determine which search field you would like your search terms to appear. When you see an article you would like to read, you can click on the title to view the full text. On the Articles page, you can also use the Tools menu at the top to cite your source, email it to yourself or another person, download and save the article, or copy the permanent link. A unique feature in NewsBank is the map search. The map search allows you to search for news by location. Click on the map search link under the homepage search bar, and scroll down the page to view a world map that allows you to refine your search by location. Let's use the droughts in California example again. You could use the map search to get results from California news sources specifically by clicking on North America on the map and narrowing down to the state level. Or you could use the map feature to find articles about drought in other parts of the world and do a comparison. NewsBank is a powerful tool for finding news sources for your research. If you get stuck or have questions, don't hesitate to contact a librarian. Use the Ask Us tab on the library homepage to find our contact information or to make a research appointment with a librarian.